Oh, I love this color. Green is my favorite color, by the way. And there we have a Peavey TL 5 string bass. Here you see a little discoloration and overspray in the headstock, which alerts me that somebody's tried to work on this. Here in this 5-piece laminate, there's a crack right along this black line in the center. That is because the truss rod was seized in there because it was overly tightened and there wasn't enough uh, washers in there and whatever. So I replaced that temporarily with a Fender Jazz truss rod nut, which is longer, so that allows me just to see if the truss rod's working and to tighten down on it enough to maybe help open up that crack where I can drop CA glue down into there. Now I'm going to use a wooden skewer, a shish kebab skewer, and drill it into here in the headstock where it begins and then come down here where it ends. Of course, being careful of the truss rod itself. Then I'll come back where this is lifting up here in the laminate and glue that with fine CA glue after putting pressure on it with the strings. Then I'll let off the strings and that should work. Anyway, I'd be interested to hear how you'd approach this repair and what you think about my approach. Have a good day. By the way, I am Jack, an American transplant into Bangkok, Thailand, and my favorite partner, Wendy, my dog, who I love with all my heart, and is a great human being in my mind.